following footage shows refurbishment of insulation on a chiller system. The pipes are located in an outdoor area that is protected by a roof. However, the enclosure is open at the sides and pipes are exposed to some weather and sunlight. The existing insulation has been applied over 10 years ago, but not correctly fitted in all areas and badly needed replacing to rectify the faults. The refurbishment work involves insulating the pipes with Armaflex insulation in 32mm thickness. The insulated pipes will be protected from weather and sunlight with the Armacell silver cladding system. Armaflex tubes can be readily fitted to existing pipework by cutting along their length. If the tubes have an oval shape, always cut along the flat side. Armaflex adhesive can then be applied to the two exposed edges of the joint. You should ensure that the adhesive coating is even, that there are no gaps, and that it extends the full length of both edges. When the adhesive is tack dry, the edges can be pushed together to create a firm joint. Adjacent sections of pipe insulation should always be fitted under compression and not stretched. On cold lines, fix and secure the tubes to the pipe surface by painting adhesive into the tube end. The area of adhesive bonding should be equal to the insulation thickness. For the final seal, pull the compressed butt joint apart and apply a thin, even film of adhesive to the edges of each tube. The Armacell cutting table has been specifically designed to help make the cutting of Armacell silver sheets quick and easy. The full roll of Armacell silver sheet is held securely by guide rollers to ensure that the cuts are always straight and even. Firstly, the measuring guide should be set to the length of Armacell sheeting that is required. Then the Armacell sheet should be placed under the guide roller and pulled out to the length required, as indicated by the measuring guide. The Armacell cutting table comes complete with a dedicated cutter which inserts into the groove and ensures a straight, even cut. Sections of sheet Armacell silver can be wrapped around pipe insulation with a 25 to 50mm overlap. The overlap should first be secured with rivets fixed at 200mm intervals along the length of the joint. After fitting of rivets, the seam should be secured with Armacell silver tape. The tape has a pressure-sensitive adhesive and must be applied with a plastic spatula to achieve full adhesion. Applying tape with hand pressure alone is not sufficient. The cutting table is portable, so it can be easily positioned conveniently at the site of installation. When installing cladding on vertical pipes, start at the bottom. This ensures that overlaps face downwards and form a watershed. Adjacent sections of cladding can be secured with rivets and the circumferential join then sealed with Armacell silver tape. Note that Armacell sheet has a linear grain. When applied correctly, the sheets will clearly match. But when applied incorrectly, there is a clear visual difference.